Department of Education New Makada Manipur da Multi Disciplinary amadi School University hangdoknabagi sem saba loire. Hariba University asida chingdalaiba college study the government college kungamari amagaso University asigi makada leihana na honari haina Education Law and Legislative Affairs ki Minister Thounaojam Basanta Kumar na haikhre. Ngasi tarani to Shuba Manipur Legislative Assembly yani Suba session ki tarit ni chanba numit ki question hour ki matamda House ki member LM Kautina pukhalak pa wahang amagi paukum da Education Minister Thounaojam Basanta Kumar na maghata na pi ki ba paukum mamada Manipur da Higher Education chaukhana na ba panda mamada hause hosik dana Manjuri University de college manga affiliate tori bambati lehori pa college singsu Manipur University de affiliate tori hariba college sing asiano bolakador University asigi makhada puna leihana na bo honari haiki hariba college sing asigi manungda Churachandpur College samati Lamka College yaurgani haina thajaba piki makata na Manipur leiriba government ki college kuntraga mangata Wi-Fi ki provision leire aduma ko school sing yoina di hauzik fawba leitri haina house thamki.
This house ta honorable speaker sir akoi ki plan amaka akoi Tawzari Education Department under the guidance of our honorable CM and leader of the house advised the wibagi matunginna there is a plan one multi-disciplinary and skill university hangdoknabagi akoi Manipur da hojik akoi atu matamda hangnabagi akoi plan tawzare under the advice of our leader of the house with 7 hill campuses where 24 government colleges including Churachandpur College and Lamka College, the 2 government colleges in Churachandpur district, will be integrated into the university as constituent colleges. Aduna, akoi higher education say lift taunabagi koi pandam mamada koi government sina under the leadership of our honorable CM koi huzik higher state anauba university ama akoi linkhanabagi because akoi ki leiriba colleges mayam se loinamak only 5 colleges are constituent colleges of DMU. Rest of the colleges are all affiliated to MU, which is a central university. Aduna yarigai akoi state university amada loine affiliate to unabagi plan ama koi tawraga thabak oina lokachare August house da thamjage.